Welcome back to my channel again and welcome to Pearl TV. So, in this video guys, it's a short short story lang that, ayun, by God's grace, ayun, nakagawa na ulit tayo ng ating macaroni soup. Ayan. Nakapagluto na po ako ng macaroni soup for our feeding. Kasi yesterday, I felt like I was obliged by the Lord. Parang sinabi sa akin ng Lord, magpakain ka na, Pearl, ano ba? Kasi it's been a long time that, alam mo yung napaka-self-centered ko na iniisip ko lagi yung problema ko, ganyan. Kahapon, as if there's a calling from the Lord na, hey Pearl, magpakain ka na ng petsa na. Dali. God's grace, lahat naman ng ingredients I have. Okay, sabi ko, oo nga, kompleto ko ng ingredients. Okay? At ayun na nga guys, para din hindi ako mapagod, bumili na lang ako ng tinapay. This is 30 pieces of tinapay, guys. So, target natin mapakain is at least 30 kids. Okay, so, ayun. Yung gusto, they can get, okay, I just put it outside na, dyan, oh. So, I will ask Shasha to invite all the friends. Because they are playing outside badminton. So, perfect time na maglaro, kakain na sila, mag-snack na. Okay, so, I'm gonna show you the macaroni soup that I have cooked. Okay, guys, ang macaroni soup na naluto ko, guys, oh. Ganyan si Ma'am Shi, pang malakasang macaroni noodles, oh. So, ready na siya. Diba? Kaya ko pala magluto. Yan, ha. Diba? Bongga. Macaroni soup. O, diba? Papakain na tayo. Papatawag ko na kay Sasha yung mga bata. This is at least, pang 5 kilos kasi ito nalutuan eh. Maraming gulay yan guys, maraming vegetables. Oh, 'di ba? Ayun guys, luto na to guys. Yeah. Luto na yan. Papatawag ko na kay Shasha yung mga kids and I'm going to give them. Sabi ko nga kay Shasha, tell the kids that they have to bring their own lalagyan and kutsara kasi ayoko magbigay ng plastic kasi magkakalat pa tayo dito, okay? So, you make it sure na malinis. And yung pupunta talagang yung gusto. Kasi mahirap yung bigyan mo tapos they don't love, diba? Tapos magkakalat lang yung mga lalagyan. Okay? Ay, yan, shoutout pala guys. Shoutout kay Ma'am Liz TV. And kay Mrs. Sally, may very supportive friends who are one of the reason why I am earning YouTube pay. I'm earning in the platform, okay? So, they are helping me generate revenue. Kasi from time to time, lalo si Ma'am Liz TV, she's fond of sharing her blessings. Okay, and Mrs. Sally also, she's also been 4 years, I think, loyal member of my channel because Mrs. Sally believes in me, in my advocacy for kids, okay? So, shout out Mrs. Sally, maraming salamat po talaga for having a good friends like you. And also to Ma'am Liz TV. Okay, maraming salamat sa inyo. I hope. And also to all our good friends who are fond of watching our video from time to time. And to those people also who are fond of watching and supporting my stream, even if I don't know them. Right? Even if I do not give sukli to them. And because they are not content creator, they are just solid supporters. Okay? Especially my friends in America. We have so many good friends in America who are fond of supporting my live stream. They're just supporters. Every time I do the live streaming, they are there to shout out home. Shout out Chef It Dice. Shout out Sir Dave Farms and Song. Shout out Little Chef. Shout out Jai na Sikat. Shout out sa iyo, Sisi. Maraming salamat sa suporta niyo and to all other friends who are always there watching my videos. Okay? And sino pa ba yung mga supportive natin? Okay, so that's all for today kasi nakalimutan ko na guys. Bye and God bless. Love you all. Ayun guys, kakatapos ko lang maglinis sa kusina, ayan. And I'm so happy. Parang hindi naman ako napagod. Pag masaya ka sa ginagawa mo, hindi ka mapapagod. Ayun, naubos. Yung soup, almost, naubos siya. May konting sabaw na lang natira. Sakto pala guys, 1 kilo of 1 kilo of macaroni noodles for 30, target ko kasi ganito, 30 kids, okay? So, 1 kilo of macaroni noodles, okay? And then, mga vegetables na mga almost 1 kilo din na mga vegetable, halo-halo na. We have the carrot, the Baguio beans and the cabbage, okay? And then, yung milk nasa 2.5 na can. Okay na din siya, guys. Tapos yung chicken mga 3/4 kilo yung chicken. Kasi shredded, yung pinakulang ko yung mga bones ng chicken and then yung laman, shredded ko siya. Diba? So, yun. Okay siya. Tamang-tama naman yung timpla ko. Nang kinakabahan ako, sabi ko baka hindi magustuhan ng mga bata. Ayun, gustong-gusto nila. Anli talaga sila, guys. Natuwa ako kasi hindi sila nahiya. O, sabi ko, kasi sobrang init eh. Di ba bagong luto pa lang. Lagyan ko kayo dito konti-konti lang. You can come back as long as you want to eat. As long as there is a food, you can come back and ask for the soup. Okay, so I'm so happy. Kasi hindi sila nahiya. Kasi gusto pa nila. Okay, meaning to say, they love the food that I cook. Okay? And thank you very much to all for your love and support. For your regular support to this channel.